So today, Mr. McGee is swimming out there into the middle of the ocean at Anna Maria Island. Look, it's Mr. McGee. He's out in Anna Maria. We're on Anna Maria Island today, right? We're on Anna Maria Island today?
Yep.
Your face looks so big on here.
Look standing.
Mariah, look.
Oh, wait,
Look.
sandbar.
But there's Mr. McGee right out there. We're on Anna Maria. He just went under that wave. I'm glad I'm not out there. I'm so glad I'm not out there. I hate to be out there. I hate the ocean. You might not realize it, but I kind of hate the ocean. Okay? If you guys had never experienced the ocean, it's not really that nice in the ocean. You probably want to be swimming in a pool because the ocean hurts your sunburn and stuff like that. It hurts still, even if you don't have a sunburn. It burns your legs and stuff and feet. And even burns your... Let's do that. Are we on Anna Maria Island today?
Yep.
We're gonna eat on Anna Maria Island?
Yep.
Okay, we're all here again on Anna Maria Island to take a picture. Now I have to get my feet all sandy again. That's why I kind of don't want to come to Florida that much. We come here way too much. We need to go on another vacation that isn't Florida for a little bit. That's what we gotta do next year. We should go on a vacation that isn't Florida next year.
Okay, put your phone down quick. We gotta take a couple.
Where we're at. Remember we came here one time 2 years ago and there's a ton of birds? Remember?
Was there?
Yeah, there's a ton of birds.
Sto looking phone. Scary person chasing me.
Why do you have my phone?
Girl.
So, right now, it is now at 6:48. There's gonna be a emergency alert thing. I don't know. I don't know if this thing's gonna go off, but there's the tornado sirens. Hear the tornado sirens, everybody? So here's the video. April 15th, 2018. And do you know what today is? It's April 15th. So yeah. But the only thing is that I figured out YouTube will be terminating my YouTube channel today for some random reason. Oh, Hulk is mad. YouTube will be terminating his YouTube channel today on April 15th. And guess what? Today Hulk had to beat up a lot of kids at school today. He beat up about 26 kids today for some random reason. Hulk doesn't know why though, but he beat up about 26 kids. Hulk hates kids because they're so mean to him all the time. And guess what? Hulk doesn't know what he's supposed to say, but Hulk likes April. But it's April 15th! Hey, Sheen Fry, if you ever come and mess with Hulk's gamma rays machine ever again, Hulk's gonna poop in your bathtub and make it go all over you. So, bye!